Look at that. Look at that crunchy, crispy chicken breast. Look at it, man. Look at that. Look at that crunchy, crispy chicken breast right there. That's marinated and hand battered. Look at that. Good, ain't it? Look, guys. The classic crispy chicken sandwich from Popeyes. It's a buttery brotriche bun, and it's got creamy mayonnaise, and it's got a chicken breast on here that's juicy chicken breast too. Really good. Nice and marinated and hand battered. And tangy pickles are the best, my dude. The tangy pickles are absolutely the best, my dude. I love the tangy pickles. Man. Tangy pickles. Let me let y'all get a better look at them pickles, man. Look at them tangy pickles, man. Tangy pickles are the best. And look at that chicken breast, man. It's nice and moist and juicy chicken breast, and it's marinated and hand battered, man. It's really good. I had it before. It's good, man. Man, that's a damn good sandwich, friend, for real. It's nice and crispy, nice and crunchy, just like a boy like it. It's nice and moist and juicy. Chicken breast, man. It's delicious. You know, on a buttery brotriche bun with creamy mayonnaise and tangy pickles. But yeah, man. Guys, I love that. I love the crispy chicken sandwich from Popeyes, man. I highly recommend it, man. What's a good solid score I can give it? I give it an 8.5, man, out of 10. Because I don't want people to say, oh, Andrew gives a 9, or, you know. I say an 8.5 out of 10 is a solid score for that, because that's a damn good sandwich. You know. Okay. Look at that pickle hanging out down yonder on the bottom. Man, this is a damn good sandwich, man. Man, that's a damn good sandwich, fam. No exaggerating, man. It's really good. It's probably my favorite. It's probably my favorite item at Popeyes. Now, I love Popeyes legs, and I love their breasts, and I love their thighs meals, and I love their side items and stuff, you know. And I love their biscuits, but the classic crispy chicken sandwich is probably my favorite.